Good morning, students. All of you see page number 9. I am reading new paragraph. Name of the paragraph is Region and Empire. So all of you listen carefully and try to understand. Large states like those of the Cholas, Tughlaqs or Mughals encompassed. Encompassed means here included, control. Many regions means under Cholas Empire, Tughlaq's Empire and Mughals Empire. So many large states which were under control by these empires, large empires. We will read in detail in chapter number 2, 3 and 4. Sanskrit Prashasti. Sanskrit about Prashasti also. We will read in detail chapter number 2. For an example of Prashasti. What is the Prashasti? Praising. To praise someone. It's called Prashasti. So one of the Prashasti here which is mentioned, praising the Delhi Sultan Ghayazuddin Balban. It means Prashasti explained what? That he was the ruler of a vast empire. So Prashasti, that a praising note which described about Delhi Sultan Ghayazuddin Balban, how he was. He was the ruler of vast empire that stretched from Bengal in the east to Ghazni in Afghanistan. So you can here in bracket you can see the previous name also: Bengal, Gaud, Ghazni, Ghazan. So in Afghanistan, up to the in the west, the area vast empire which was a stretch out. Whose? One of the Delhi Sultan, Ghayasuddin Balban. In the west and included all of South India also. Southern India, which was known as Dravida, or we can say the Dravid also. People of different regions, Gaud, Andhra, Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra and Gujarat. People of these regions apparently fled before his armies. Here fled means ran away. Apparently means clearly. So people of these regions before the power of the Ghayasuddin Balban, so ran away before his armies also, means because of his power. Historians, now see this page, regard. Yeah, regard means think. Our historians, they thought about what? About the Prashastis or about this Prashasti. These as exaggerated. Exaggerated means make something larger, praising more and more by crossing the limit also. It's called the exaggerated claims of conquest. Whatever the victories which occurred by a particular ruler. So his victory which was described how? Exaggeration, we can say that. Exaggerated by this way. At the same time, they try to understand why rulers kept claiming to have control over different parts of the subcontinent. So as well as our historians, they try to understand why rulers, these big rulers, powerful rulers, why they control the larger parts, kept under control him. Why? So remaining paragraph we will read in next clip.